Looking for a healthy and flavorful drink that is easy to make? Today on Spice and Simplicity with Julie, I'll show you how to make Zobo, the classic hibiscus drink you'll want to sip all summer. Let's get started. The ingredients are dried hibiscus flowers, 1 can of frozen juice. Then we have 1 apple, 1 orange, half lemon, half cucumber, and ginger. Then we also have our pineapple. We'll be using the outer layer. For the dried spice, we have 2 cinnamon sticks and a tablespoon of cloves. So right now I'm peeling the pineapple. Now I'll wash the Zobo hibiscus flowers to remove the sand and debris. So I'll rinse the cloves. So I'll add it after rinsing. Now I'm adding water that will go above the level of the ingredients. So we'll cook for 15 to 25 minutes. So it's 25 minutes now. So we'll switch this off and allow it to stand for an hour or 2. 2 hours has passed. Now we are ready to strain the liquid from the solid. So we're going to add canned juice. Now Zobo is ready. So I'm now adding the lemon slices and cucumber to infuse. Zobo is ready to be served. Oh, it's so good. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can be receiving the delicious recipes. This is so good. This is good.